Everyone. So open the Gmail account. In the Gmail account, you will be having many accounts are there. So you have to open the CBSE Digital Edu.in account. After opening the account, you will be having email from CBSE free online training program. In this mail, you are having a link. You can see here cohort 14. So the link is there https classroomgoogle.com whatever. So you have to click on this link for classroom. It will help you to enter in the classroom. When you will enter the classroom first time, it will ask you your details. For example, Google Classroom is there. Now again you have to click here and you have to enter from which account you want to enter. So I am entering through the 100200713 @cbscdigitaledu.in. Now I have entered the classroom. It will first time it will ask you whether you are a teacher or a student, whatever. After that, in the Google Classroom, you are having three options here like stream, second is the classwork, and third is the people. People are your classmates who are your colleagues in the Google Classroom. So for example, it is opening how many people have entered in the classroom. It will give you a list. So you can see here how many classmates are there, 947 students. Now I am coming to the classwork. In the classwork, there are different types of tools, course material, many things are there. For example, you can see here free tools for teaching. So many tools are there. Then free tools for assessment, templates for teaching, resources for teaching. So many things are there. Okay, I am just opening one like resources for teaching. So interactive resources for all. Now click on the view material. So it will show you the particular material and it will forward you to the given link. Now you can read it and you can go to the website for which class you want to do, and many things are there. So similarly, you can open whatever you want like free tools. So I'm clicking on this tool. Again click on the view material. It will open the material, then backlight in 10 minutes. It is a YouTube video. So in such a way you can access all the parts that are given by the CBSE in the given classroom. After selecting all the parts, at the last you are having self-assessment for certification. Okay, this self-assessment you can do only after completing the all particular links what they have given in the mail, right? Each participant will be able to do this only once, so be careful before submitting. Please complete all the questions at the end of the day 5. Okay, and then you can view the assignment here. So your name will come. First of all, actually you have not, if I have not done the proper things, so your work is assigned here, your Google Docs will come here, and then you can add a class comment also. It is of 100 points. So I can complete it after the 5th day. So right now I cannot do it, so that's why it's not coming here. Now this certification that will be issued to us by CBSE with Google and with Mahatattva. So it is a combination given by all these three things. So you have to join this classroom. Please try it.